everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our box challenges, and then I'm going to introduce a new savings challenge book that I just made. It is available now on my Etsy store, and this is the Beauty in the Savings. So it's got butterflies and some color and saves, and you have some roll and saves. We got a dice game here. We only have 3 scratcher sheets, so I know that's perfect for people who don't like scratchers. Another roll and save, just a color and save. And yeah, so this has got 8 pages front and back. And you will get an A5 envelope with it. And I'm going to do $20, and I have labeled each page 1 through 8. So I'm going to roll a, get that in there. I'm going to roll a D8 die to see where we're going to go. All right, page number 7, and we'll go ahead and do, so each one of these is $5. So we will do just one since we only have $20 for today. And this book will save you $1,050 plus because we have the roll and saves. So page number 3 is also another color and save, and each of these is $10. So we're down to $5, but that's okay. I don't have any real rush to get this book done. And we will put some of our like our mini challenges and stuff towards this one. And then so we got page 1. So we'll go ahead and just color off a $5 circle. And that is our $20. That was a lot quicker than I anticipated, but it's okay. All of the denominations are 1 through 10, so it is very low budget friendly. So awesome. And this is available in my Etsy, so if you would like it, you can go ahead and snag it. That one took me a little bit, but I am very proud of how that one turned out as well. So we're going to go into our box challenges. We have our mini Halloween box, and we have $20 that we're going to put in our little bank back here. And we get out our cards. I think we might be able to get this one done in like 2 more weeks maybe. So I should be 21s in prop 1. So I'm going to take out the one that we IOU from last week. And we'll go ahead and get started. So happy Thursday, everybody. Yes, it's Thursday. We are almost done with the week. That is exciting. I am happy that this week is almost done. That's for sure. All right, we got our dice game. We haven't played that one in a while. So let's go ahead and get 2 D4s. All right, we got a 2 and a 1. So 2 and 1, that is $6. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go one more time. All right, we got a 3 and a 2. So 3 and 2 is done. 2, and that one's done. So let's go ahead. We'll keep the 3. 3 and 4 is done. Is 4 and 3 done? No, it is not. So the bat is a 5. All right, and that's good for that one because that's like half of our money now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And no, we're not playing that again. 2 times your next card. I'm not sure. No, we're not playing the dice game. Get out of here. All right. So little Frankenstein times 2. That would be $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have just a few dollars left. Hopefully, 2 times your next card. My gosh. All right. I don't know if this is going to be good. Where is that page? Here it is. Okay, so we have a 3 and we have a roll and save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, let's go ahead. We'll just do our D6. Okay, that's a 1, and then plus 3 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. Now, card is almost done. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to double that one because we don't have much money left. And then we have $1 and a $2, so that's $3. 1, 2, and 3. So we have $2 left. Let's see. I don't know if I don't have a catch-all, unfortunately. So this one is done. So we'll turn that around. Let's see. Yeah, we have $2. I don't have a $2 there. Only have 1 pumpkin left. All right. Well, we're gonna have to chance it and. All right, we got $2. We can't do the bonus, but we can put the $2 in there. And next time we'll be able to do the bonus, but okay. And that is it for that. Hopefully, I'm going to see if I can bring in a little bit extra to see if we can get this one finished up next week. But we shall see. We only have a few cards left, so hopefully. And this one is done. Let's see. Let's write today's date is the 6th. And then our next box challenge is going to be our Hello Thanks Miss. When I am done with this box challenge, I think we're going to go back to our Monster Town so we can get that finished up. I did get the newest expansion pack from Allie Bear Budgets, so that is exciting. All right, so for our Hello Thanks Miss, oh my god, I can't even say this. Thanks Miss box, we have 10 and 20. 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $55 for our Hello Thanks Miss. Where's our cards? Here's our cards. All right, let's get started. Let's see how many we can get done today on this one. Give them a good shuffle. All right. Hopefully everybody is having a fantastic week. I am glad that it is almost Friday. All right, so we got $3 for this search and save. We'll just pull it all out in case I need to condense. Okay, and I did see we had an IOU, so let's go ahead and pay that up. That is $3. Okay, and then we have another Christmas search and save. I swear I shuffle these, and it just never... Do we have a 1? We do. We'll take that 5, because that is $4. I'm excited to see how much this box will save us. Roll a dice and save that amount with your next card. Okay. Oh, we finally got a fall search and save. Awesome. Which one is that one? $5. Oh, lordy. Okay, let's get the 5. And then we will roll 1, 3. 2 and 3. But I do love box challenges because they take a while, but they end up saving you quite a lot of money. And it doesn't really necessarily feel like it because you are saving small amounts at a time. So we had a ×2, but that's a 4. And I guess we'll do it. All right. So what are everybody's plans for the weekend? I do not know. We actually have a long weekend, so I'm excited about that. So that's $5. I'm going to put this 5 back and take a 10. We have a 4-day weekend, so me and my youngest do. Our other kids that go to school do not have a 4-day weekend because of the Veterans Days on Tuesday. All right, we get another search and save. So that is $4. Oh my gosh. Do we have... Okay, let's put the 1 back and the 5 and take a 10. Like, these aren't really spicy numbers, but it's like a roll and save. So we just like... Where's that? Oh, that's this one. Okay. All right, so we have to roll a d6, and even is $2 and odd is $1. So odd is $1, so we will put in $1. So that one needs to go back in the pile. All right, another Halloween search and save. Ooh, this one is almost done. Awesome. We got $3 more going in. Oh, let me mark it off. We almost have 1 card finished. Awesome. Color and save. All right, so this is $1 per box. So we're gonna go ahead and do 1. And we're also using this as our catch-all as well. Okay, we have a few more dollars left. So let's keep going. Christmas search and save. Ooh, I think we might be done. No, that one is... Oh, we went too far. Oh, no, we're not done with this page yet. I think the other page we might be done with. $3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, man. Let's see. Can we condense this one a little bit? Oh, yeah, we can. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. Oop. All right. Ooh, a sunflower. Search and save. We got just money going everywhere. There we go. $3. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's put 2 back and take that 5. I feel like we're getting a good chunk done today on this one. That's awesome. It's almost like we might finish. I feel like we're getting a lot more done in this box than the last one. All right, so we got a roll and save. Can't really times... I mean, I guess we could times 2 that one, so... And we got a 5, so odd is $1. Times 2 is $2. We'll just do that. I'll just put a 2 in there. Add $2 to the next card. I only have $3, so I don't know if we'll be able to do that one. Search and save. And I really didn't think that through because we might actually have... Oh, no. $2? Yes, barely. So we can put another $1 in our catch-all back here. Awesome. Now, do we color in those as 2 or just like the full brick? I don't know. I guess we'll see how long it takes to get it all done. So we finished quite a few cards. That's awesome. I think I want to put that one back in maybe. But we finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards. 13, 14 cards. Awesome. So we still have not too bad. Oh, we need to put these ones back in. Oh my goodness. I'm just losing my mind. All right, so we'll go ahead. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. All right, at least we did not have an IO. Oh, I didn't put that in. Oh my goodness. Yes, so we should have 4. Lord, I swear it should be Friday already. I wish it was. We are getting close. We only need 1 more for this Christmas one. And we need 2 more for this Christmas one. And then, let's see, 3 more for this one. So we might actually finish this one pretty relatively quickly as well. Because minus the bonus cards, I can kind of figure out how much we will need sort of to finish this one. So we might try to bring a little extra in next week. All right, so that only needs one more on that card. This one needs 2 more. Oh, and that is it. Oh my ish, I can even close it. Oh, okay, yeah, we'll leave those. Right. And that is it, guys. I apologize for the shorter-ish video. But thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.